Good morning. It's a very wet day today. It's around about 2 degrees, so a bit cold. Possible snow later on, but we'll see. I doubt it. It's a bit of sleet, if that. Anyway, what have I got on today? Well, I've got a couple of boxes. These are more supplies for cables and pipe parts, etc. And one of the custom guitars that one of my customers has ordered. Um, So I'm going to be getting on. I've got a number of lamps that I need to get on with today. But first of all, have a look at this. Look, jewellery stuff on my bench again. Yes, my wife is taking over. I'm soon to be losing this space. I'm very sure of it. It's just not on. Where am I going to go? Being evicted. Terrible. Anyway, have a good day.